How to create Flybuys account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Flybuys account. Flybuys is one of Australia's largest and most popular loyalty programs. It allows members to earn points on purchases from a variety of retailers and service providers. Now if you want to create an account on Flybuys, first of all, make sure you have downloaded Flybuys application on your mobile device. If not, you may also use Flybuys website. Now open the application, and once you open the application, you will land on this home page. Here you will find Join Flybuys just below the sign in button. Tap on this Join Flybuys, and now after doing that, you will be taken to the browser. Here you will find Create Account button. Tap on this Create Account button at the bottom. And once doing that, you will reach to this page. Here you can choose the way how you are rewarded. You can choose this Flybuys point on the top and then tap on this confirm your choice. Now after doing that, here you need to tap on this continue button. If you want a plastic card, you may also select this I also want a plastic card button right here. If not, you can just tap on continue to proceed further. Once doing that, here you will find this application form which you will need to fill out. Here you will need to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, date of birth. Make sure to enter your date of birth in a correct format. Choose your gender, tap on this box and enter your home address. After that, you will need to add your contact information here. After that, tap on this continue button and proceed further. Once doing that, here you will be asked to enter your username and password. Enter your username and create a strong password for your Flybuys account. Make sure it meets all the criteria or the requirements presented below. Here you will also need to retype your password in case you mistyped it. Enter the password once again for confirmation and then scroll down. Here you need to select this I agree to the Flybuys terms and condition box. After that, tap on the save and continue button below. Also here you will need to complete this CAPTCHA stating that I am not a robot. Click on this box. And once it successfully verifies, tap on the save and continue. After that, you can see you have successfully created an account on Flybuys. So by following the steps, you should be able to create your Flybuys account. For easier access, you can use the application on your device. Now once your account is set up, you can start earning and redeeming Flybuys points on your purchases. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.